Air pollution, getting worse day by day, and various dust generated by various industrial fields. Isn't there any way to get out of them? Here, there is a dust collecting apparatus with amazing performance of 99.9% dust collecting efficiency. Now, we introduce dust collecting apparatus using centrifugal force and bag filter, made by Daesung-jtech, based on its technical skills and know-how accumulated in the atmospheric environment field. Unlike previous dust collectors, in which the centrifugal force dust collecting apparatus and bag filter dust collecting apparatus are separated and installed, the dust collecting apparatus of Daesung-jtech has simple structure in which the separating part and filtering part are integrally formed. First of all, to see the principle, if dust flows in through the lower inlet of the cylinder, the dust is firstly filtered by the centrifugal force through the change of the flow rate of the cone-shaped installed at the lower part. The dust not filtered in the lower cone flows into the circular bag filer at the upper side, and while fine dust passes through filter cloth, 99.9% of the polluted dust is treated. The dust which sank to the bottom is put in the dust storage tank made at the bottom. Then, rotation-type pulsing unit, installed at the center, is used to effectively shake off the fine dust, which adhere to the multiple filter cloths. The compressed air in the air chamber, which stores a certain amount of compressed air through the compressor, is regularly rotated by the gears of the sensor unit, and at the same time, the rotating arm rotates with the air chamber and sprays compressed air using multiple nozzles over the filter cloths. The important matter here is, by generating low-pressure pulse, not high-jet pulse, towards the rotating arm, the pulsing assembler minimizes the noise or vibration, and at the same time, it makes it available to transfer stable compressed air while preventing filter cloth from being torn. At the same time, unlike the filter cloth of the existing dust collecting apparatus, uses a large number of diaphragm valve, the pulsing assembly in the dust collecting apparatus of Daesung-jtech uses one self-developed large diaphragm valve for one unit of filter cloth, and it improves the function of the filter cloth by removing dust by generating low-pressure pulsing air inside of the filter cloth through rotating arm. As it uses low-pressure pulsing pressure, it becomes to bring the effect such as life extension of filter cloth, reduction of manufacturing and installation cost. And the sensor unit, composed of first and second gear, can control the spraying position and time of the compressed air in the process rotating arm is rotating. In this time, if air is sprayed to the multiple filter cloths with same pressure, in case of other dust collecting apparatus, while the dust which adhered to the filter cloth is falling off, it becomes to adhere to the other neighboring filter cloth again. Whereas, in case of the dust collecting apparatus of Daesung-jtech, the sensor unit controls the position and sequence of spraying compressed air. Therefore, it can increase the filtration efficiency more, as it can largely reduce the phenomenon that the dust falling off the filter cloth adheres to the neighboring filter cloth. Like this, dust collecting apparatus using variable centrifugal force and bag filter, which combine the advantages of the existing dust collecting apparatus and realize the improvement of the composition to shake off the dust, which adhere to the filter cloth at the same time, is the best new product with powerful features offered by Daesung-jtech with confidence.